Today we're going to learn how to make salt dough ornaments. To make our dough, we are going to need 4 cups of flour. Next, we are going to need 1 cup of salt. I'm going to pour my mixture of flour and salt into the mixing bowl. I'm going to very slowly add my water to the mixture. 1.5 cups of water. Going to preheat my oven to 300 degrees. I have half of my dough in between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Now we are going to use our different shaped cookie cutters. My big helper Sakura is going to push in one of the ornaments. Push, push, push. Good job. Okay, let's do this hand. Push. If you find the dough a little wet, like mine, just stick in the freezer for about 10-15 minutes. Give them a little wiggle. Yay! All right, that's one down. I did put some holes in a few of these to make ornaments. Others I'm just going to leave as is. So we're going to put this in at 300 for 1 hour. I just pulled these out of the oven and I'm going to let them cool. We're going to start off painting an orange pumpkin. All right. Take our paintbrush. Orange. And hold on to the brush. Good job. Wow. Black cat. And we are going to paint a black bat, just like our black cat. Your snackies good? You good snackies? All right. Lastly, we are going to paint a white ghost. White ghost. Boo! We have one side of our Halloween ornaments done. We're going to let them dry, then flip them over and paint the other side. I've added subtle detail to my ornaments. Last step is going to be to seal them. I'm using a clear matte ceramic sealer to seal in my ornaments. Our Halloween decorations are complete. They're sealed and dried and looking beautiful.